Bonjour mes amis de Casa 1 et Casa 2. Hello my friends from Casa 1 and Casa 2. Et aujourd'hui, je vais faire une autre partie du calendrier en français. Today I will be doing another part of our calendar in, what language was I speaking? You've got it, French. And why, pourquoi am I doing the calendar in French? Parce que we are studying this red continent from our continents puzzle map this month. What continent is it? L'Europe. It's Europe. And of the 44 countries in Europe, 5 of them have French as their official language. And Miss Mia happens to know French, so that's the one I chose. Makes sense. All right, let's start with our days of the week, les jours de la semaine. Before we sing our song, I'll remind you what each of them are called in French. Repeat after me. Sunday is dimanche. Monday is lundi. Tuesday is mardi. Wednesday is mercredi. Thursday is jeudi. Good. Friday is vendredi. And Saturday is samedi. Did you try them all out? Okay, excellent. So let's sing our Days of the Week song. And how many days of the week are there? 7, that's right. And in French, the number 7 is, you probably see it like this, 7. Il y a 7 jours, il y a 7 jours, il y a 7 jours en une semaine. Dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. Aujourd'hui c'est mardi, aujourd'hui c'est mardi, aujourd'hui c'est mardi, toute la journée. Aujourd'hui c'est mardi, aujourd'hui c'est mardi, aujourd'hui c'est mardi, toute la journée. Okay, so what day of the week is mardi? Well, even if you don't speak français, you can just follow the order of the days of the week to find out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I always see you on a Tuesday. Mardi. All right, let's move on to the months of the year. I'm going to do a 1-2 switcheroo. All right. So now we will look at the names of the months of the year in French as well. January is janvier. You must be repeating after me, right? February is février. March is mars. April is avril. May is mai. June is juin. July is juillet. August is août. September is septembre. October is octobre. November is novembre. Not that hard to remember, right? Because they sound very similar to the English words. December is décembre. All right, let's sing the months of the year song. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre et décembre. Il y a 12 mois en un an. Il y a 12 mois en un an. That means there are 12 mois, months in un, year. Boy, that's a lot to wrap your head around. There are 12 months in 1 year. All right. We know that the day is lundi. Now, what is the month of the year? It's the 5th month of the year. We call it May in English, and we call it mai en français. Almost sound the same. So, let's find out what day, quel jour, in May it is. Follow the Tuesday down. Doodle-doodle-doo. Last week was the 12th when I did the calendar, and this week it is this day in May. Let's count en français. How many days have passed in May? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, this is 19. And in French, we say the word 19 like this. 19. 10 means 10 and 9 means 9. So, it's a teen made from 1 10 and 9 units. 19. 19. So, we know the day is lundi, the month is May. The date is the 19th. It's the 19th of May. The last number up here is 2020, or in French we call it 2020. 2020. Try it out. Good. Try. Okay, let's read our entire date in French now. En français. I'll read it for you first. Maybe you want to listen and then you can try and say it along with me after. Aujourd'hui c'est, that means today is, aujourd'hui c'est mardi, le 19e de mai 2020. All right, try it with me. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi, le 19e de mai 2020. Excellent job! Félicitations! You did so well reading our date with me en français, in French. You want to know about the weather? It did rain a little bit last week, so that was wonderful. My garden is growing, but today it's the usual sunny day in the Caribbean. A few clouds in the sky. The leaves are moving quite a bit in the trees, so there is a breeze, which is giving us a bit of relief from the temperature, which is quite hot as usual. All right, that's my calendar for today, the 19th of May. See you